Hey guys, welcome to another episode of W4FDT Amateur Radio. Hey, if you're a subscriber to the channel, I know you've waited. I know you've waited a while for me to put out a video. I've had a lot of things happen since my last video. A job change in another state, moving, a death in the family, and if it could happen, hey, it's happened in the past 3 months. Thank you guys for sticking with me. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, click like and subscribe. You can even share this video to some of your other friends. It'll let them know and you know when I post another video. So I'm glad to be out in the park today. We're in Northeast Alabama at Desoto State Park. I've got the PackTenna Mini, the new antenna that they've put out, the PackTenna Mini EFHW 40 and 20 meter. I'm going to use my FT-891. I took a page out of K-1039's playbook. I've got my spider beam mast up in that tree, just leaned up against the tree with a little tension on the antenna. I think it's going to perform well. We'll get everything set up. If you'll stick around, we'll get started. CQ POTA. This is Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango calling CQ Parks in the air, CQ Parks in the air. Kilo Oscar 4, something Juliet Victor. Kilo Oscar 4, Juliet Kilo Victor, you're 555 in the park, 1039 QSL.
I copy that 55 in the K-1039, and you are 59 in Western North Carolina.
I copy 59 North Carolina. Thanks for the contact, friend. 73. QRZ Parks in the air, Whiskey 4, Foxtrot Delta Tango. CQ POTA. This is Whiskey 4, Foxtrot Delta Tango, calling CQ Parks in the air, Northeast Alabama.
Whiskey 1, Radio Charlie Papa.
Whiskey 1, Radio Charlie Papa, you're 5959 Northeast Alabama. Appreciate the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Kilo 9 Golf India Delta, you're also 5x9 into Park 1039. I copy 10 over Virginia. Thanks for the contact, my friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Whiskey November 9 Papa, you're also 59 here in Northeast Alabama, Park 1039 QSL.
QSL, you're 59 as well in Illinois, India Lima, 73.
And copy India Lima. Thanks for the contact, my friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the air, Whiskey 4 Foxtrot Delta Tango. Kilo Oscar 4 Papa Zulu Whiskey, you're 59 into Park 1039. Copy 58 Virginia Alpha. Thanks for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Now this is what I love. Okay, ending in X-ray. Whiskey 4 Papa Delta X-ray. Copy your 59. You're also 59 here in Northeast Alabama at Park 1039. Whiskey 4 Bravo America X-ray. Appreciate the correction, my friend. Got you in the log. 73. Yes, sir. Whiskey 4 Bravo Alpha X-ray.
Thank you for your patience and have a great evening.
73, my friend. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Okay, ending in Echo. Ending in Echo. Kilo 4 Charlie Alpha Echo, copy my 59. You're also 59 here in Northeast Alabama, Park 1039.
Thanks so much, 73. Have a great evening.
73, my friend. Thanks for the contact. QRZ Parks in the air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Okay, ending in Tango.
Kilo November 4, Victor Tango, Tango 59, North Carolina.
Kilo November 4 Victor Tango Tango, copy your 5-9. You're also 5-9 Northeast Alabama, Park 1039.
1039, appreciate the contact.
Thanks for the contact, friend. 73 QRZ Parks in the air, Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Okay, ending in X-ray. There's a lot of you in there. We'll get you all. Ending in X-ray. Okay, there's 2 X-rays in there. The one Sierra Oscar X-ray. Go ahead. Kilo Bravo 0 Sierra Oscar X-ray. You are 5-9-59 into Park 1039. I copy. Thanks for the contact, my friend. Just down the road, 7-3. At the other X-ray station. Okay, the other station ending in X-ray, please. Whiskey Delta 5 Golf November X-ray. You're 59 into Northeast Alabama, Park 1039. Copy. Thanks for the contact from Atworth, my friend. 7-3 QRZ Parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Kilo November 4 Delta Foxtrot Oscar. You're 59 into Park 1039.
Roger that, Dwayne. I've got you 5-9 into Virginia.
Appreciate the contact. 7-3, my friend. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Okay, ending in Foxtrot Victor. Ending in Foxtrot Victor. Kilo Charlie 3, November Foxtrot Victor. Thanks for the contact. You're 59 into Northeast Alabama, Park 1039. QRZ Parks on the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. I love the pile up, man. Whiskey 8, Juliet Delta Echo, you're 59 into Northeast Alabama, Park 1039. Thanks for the contact, my friend. 7-3 QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Kilo Oscar 4 Echo Papa X-ray. You are also 5-9. Good signals out here today into Park 1039, Northeast Alabama. All right, 7-3, my friend. QRZ Parks in the air. Whiskey 4 Fox Delta Tango. Okay, Victor Zulu. Okay, give me that one more time. Kilo Charlie 4 Tango Victor Zulu. I copy the 5-9 in Georgia, and go ahead with your second operator. Kilo Delta 4 Bravo Victor Golf. I copy your 5-9 in Georgia. You're also 5-9 Northeast Alabama at Park 1039. 7-3. You guys have a great day. It's all right. So it's got dark on me, so I had to go ahead and start packing up. Got about 60 contacts in a little bit less than an hour. Had a great time. Had a pile up from the word go. A good friend of mine stopped by to listen to some of the carnage. This is Andrew.
KL4GFP.
KL4GFP. We had a good time. I showed him what a pile-up's like. Trying to get him involved, but he's doing a little camping this year, and maybe he'll get on the air too. So we're going to pack up everything. Guys, it's been a blast. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, click like and subscribe. You can even share the videos, and we look forward to catching you on the next go-around. 7-3, guys.